FOXO stock analysis and price predictions for 11th of August, Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Me just looking at FOXO Technologies, it's in a bearish market. Now, I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and that's all documented. But since last time I made a video, we had like a reverse split, and it's still nothing changed the fact that we kept melting down. Like, that's still a constant. I don't have big hopes on FOXO. Like, generally speaking, it's just in a bearish range. When would I be bullish? If we see potential breaks above 16 cents, yeah, maybe then. But for right now, it's not the case. And let me just set up this thing like that. All I'm further doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And with FOXO, I also got about 2 results here in the Discord as well. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.